everyone. Today, I'll guide you through enabling Steam family sharing and troubleshooting any issues you might encounter. If you find this helpful, don't forget to leave a like. So, let's dive in. To start, open Steam, go to Steam at the top right and select Settings. Ensure two-factor authentication or 2FA is enabled. Then, navigate to Family and toggle on Authorize Library Sharing on this device. If you see no eligible accounts, log into the account you want to share games from. Log out and log into that account and confirm 2FA. Log out again and return to your account, where you should now see the added account in eligible accounts. Toggle it on to share games. For fixing family sharing issues. If family sharing isn't working, verify your system files. Open Command Prompt as an admin. Type sfc/scan now and press Enter. This may take some time, and once done, check if the issues persist. Remember, not all games support family sharing. To check eligible games, go to Steam Settings, Family, then go to Manage, then Show Excluded Games. I hope this guide was helpful. If it helped, drop a like and consider subscribing for more content. And I'll see you in the next video.